what is rest and what is motion? If the suppose uh, you have an object like this is an object. It has two possibilities: either it is in state of rest or in state of motion. Suppose the object is in this state, it is in state of motion, and if it is something like this, we would call it that the object is in state of rest. So so rest or motion is relative. Relative means you can't say that the object is in state of rest or in motion. You need a reference to define the state of the object. Suppose okay, let's define it first. Object is in state of motion or in state of rest if its position is not changing with respect to surrounding. Okay, how? Suppose you have an object like this and its position is with respect to screen is, suppose with respect to screen is like this is the reference point of screen, this is static position, and it is suppose I mean to say 5 centimeter is from screen, so it is at 5 centimeter for a long time. Then we would say that it is actually not changing its position with respect to its surrounding. That's why it is in state of rest. So how do we define motion? Motion is opposite to it. If it changes its position, with respect to surrounding, then we would say it is in state of motion. How? Suppose you have an object like this and see it is changing its position with respect to surrounding, so that's why it is in state of motion. Like going up, down, left, right is actually change in its position with respect to surrounding. Sometimes it is near to this reference point, sometimes it is moving away from this reference point in one direction, it may be in other direction. So that's why it is called the object is in state of motion. This is how we define motion state.